Welcome to ERP Businesses Limited, Tally Software's authorized solution partner in East Africa. In this video, I'll be taking you through how Tally software can be used for the pharmaceutical sector. Tally is a widely accepted and admired business management software amongst SMEs and CAs since 1986. With over 2 million customers globally, footprints in 100 plus countries, and 28,000 partners across the globe. These are a few features of Tally. Apart from this, the software allows you to maintain your stock in batches with trackable expiry and manufacturing dates. It also allows you to have credit sales and POS, also known as cash sales. We will start with chart of accounts to have a look at my data, starting with ledgers. As displayed, I have my customers under debtors and suppliers under creditors. Then we can have a look at my stock items. There are groups available to enter the items under for easy allocation. I will enter in one. This is the creation of the item, the name, choose the group it's under, select the units. There's also an option of alternate units and you can define it here. There's an option of enabling batches, manufacturing dates and expiry dates as well. Then whether VAT is applicable for this item or exempted. Costing markup, which means it will keep a profit percentage on the cost of the item that varies with every purchase. We can also set a reorder quantity from alter. Reorder level stock group, all items. I can set a reorder quantity, which means once stock drops to this level, an order needs to be placed. Minimum order quantity is the minimum quantity you'd order from a supplier, which is optional whether you'd like to set one or not. The system gives you a reminder on the company's loading that there is a shortfall of these items. I will start with a purchase. For this, I will go to Purchase, Create. There's the supplier invoice details to fill. I will select my supplier here, the items that I'm purchasing, input the batch, quantity, rate, manufacturing and expiry date of that batch. I'll select my second item and I can enter this item in the existing batch because that's what I've received. As displayed, VAT has been calculated on the gross total automatically. We will have a look at the purchase register. As shown, the purchase has been recorded here. Then we can check the effect of this on the supplier account. The account has been credited with the purchase. Then we can check the stock items as well. As shown, Aerovent Inhaler 200 md has increased by 10. And True Mass 2 shows an inward of 10. We can now process a sale, sales, create, select my customer, attach the price list, select the items I want to sell, enter the batch. There's the batch number with the expiry and quantity in that batch displaying. Quantity and the rate will pick from the price list. Also note that expired batches do not display in a sale. And VAT has been calculated automatically, where if I add a non-VATable item, which is predefined in master, VAT will not calculate on it. We can have a look at the sales register. We can check the effect of the sale starting with the customer ledger. As shown, his account has been debited with the sale. We can check all of my customers' bills aging-wise. For this, I'll go to Sales, Group, make this aging method by bill date, and I can set the days however I want. For example, 30 to 60 and onwards. And it will show me the outstandings age-wise. When I press enter, a single customer's report will display. Then we can check the items. We can check a summary group-wise, show an average profit of the entire group, or make it stock item-wise. If you're maintaining 2 locations, you can view the summary location-wise from Inventory, Locations, pick my location, and view the summary with profit, or make it stock item-wise. You can check the item transactions batch-wise as well. For example, cetamol, then pick the batch I want to see the summary of. Next, we can check the reorder status. It's showing all the items. For example, cold caps adds the purchase order and calculates net available, which is compared with the reorder level, which was defined in master, to calculate the shortfall and order to be placed. I can click on reorder only, which will only show me the items that have a shortfall. For example, top dog rice, the sales order is subtracted from the closing stock to get the net available, which is subtracted from the reorder level to get the shortfall and order to be placed. There's VAT from 3 that is affected as well. As you can see, the purchase and sale have both appeared here. This form can be exported to the KRA Excel sheet that is directly uploaded on the KRA website. The profit and loss has been affected. Purchase accounts, the purchase has been added. Sales account has increased. When I make it more detailed, the sale displays. In the balance sheet, current liabilities have been increased due to the credit purchase. Current assets have been increased as well due to the debtors from the sale. There's also a report where you can check within how long all items are expiring, inventory, aging analysis, aging style, to be expired. I can make the report detailed to show me the location, batch, and expiry. And I can always change the aging period to however I want. Anything expiring within less than 60 days from the current date will display in this column. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.